If you're currently running a Hynautic throttle control system on your boat, you're aware that they're no longer produced, they can be unresponsive, they can leak, and they can just be unreliable. Finally, we have the solution. Flexball from Italy have just released their TLC, or twin lever control throttle control system. Now this might look familiar to you because it's the exact same arrangement you're used to with your Hynautic controls. So you've got one lever that operates your throttle and one lever that operates your gears. The advantage of this is it provides very precise control from idle all the way up to full throttle, and your gears for three very, very specific movements of neutral, forward, back to neutral, and reverse. The advantage of the Flexball throttle systems are that they are incredibly reliable, they're Italian made, and we can offer as many throttle control stations as you need, whether you have one in the wheelhouse, the flybridge, behind the wheelhouse, or even out on a reel on the back deck. They're IP68 rated, incredibly hardy units, and they do stand up to even the harshest environments. We can offer you a system that will talk to any make and model of engine. Hynautics predominantly are used with mechanical engines and mechanical gearboxes, so it doesn't matter the brand. What we can do is we can offer you a Flexball system that will talk to any brand of engine. The other advantage is that it's a direct bolt-in arrangement. So this here, underneath this protective film, is a 316 grade stainless steel plate. It allows the Flexball TLC throttle head to bolt straight in, and this is the exact mount pattern that connects to your existing Hynautic throttle head. So it is a direct drop-in replacement. Now anyone, any mechanic, any installer, any electrician is more than capable of installing and setting up the Flexball control system. So they're very easy to install. If you're looking for a reliable replacement to get rid of your old Hynautic system and move forward in regards to technology, reliability, then you cannot look past the Flexball TLC throttle control head. Thanks very much for watching. Please get in touch with us here at THT if you'd like a quote.